All right, our focus question for today. Again, Haley counted the number of pets that all of her friends have. Using this data, we're going to determine the range. So first, let's figure out and remind ourselves what each of these dots on our dot plot look like. So this 0, we have one dot at 0, so that is going to be, that's a 0. Over here we have two dots at 1, so we have a 1 and a 1. So we're going to replace these dots with the number it's plotted at. So we have a 2 and a 2. This is a 3, and this is a 5. So if I put them in order from least to greatest, up here, from least to greatest, I will have, there we go, I'll have that 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, and 5. Now when we take this, the range, remember the range is going to be the biggest number minus the smallest number. So our biggest number here is 5. Is 5, I should say. There we go. Our biggest number is 5. Our smallest number is 0, so 5 minus 0. 0 is part of our data. So our range is going to be 5. So our answer is 5. And that is it for the range. Also, if you remember, that mode was 1 and 2 from yesterday. That was the number we saw the most of. And that's it. All you have to write is that the range is 5, and that's it for the focus question. Great job.